Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your hub for all things web design and marketing. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to easily add scrolling text to your Wix website using the built-in marquee feature, no coding required. So, scrolling text, also known as a marquee effect, is a fantastic way to grab your visitors' attention. Either you are highlighting promotions, announcing events, or just adding a little flair to your site. So this is a fun and engaging tool to use, plus it's super simple with Wix. So as you can see here, before we jump into the Wix editor, let's quickly go over why scrolling text can really enhance your site's design. It's not just about looking cool, it serves practical purposes too. So here, scrolling text is perfect for things like announcements, promotions, events update, or important messages. So here, if you are starting from scratch, feel free to use any template. This effect works across all Wix templates, either it's for e-commerce, portfolios, or personal blogs. Of course, the first thing you need to do in this tutorial is to head over to wix.com and log into your account. And if you don't have one, you just need to create, guys. It's very easy. And if you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and create a free account. Here, you can select any template here, guys. So this is for e-commerce, portfolios, or personal blogs. Here you have a choice here if you want to edit here or view it first. So here, let's try to edit this one. Just need to tap on that one and you will be directed to this page. So now that we are inside the editor, the first step is to add a text box. And then on the left hand side, you'll be able to see here different features of this website. From there, you can also select text and choose a heading, paragraph, or subheading. You can drag the text box to the area where you want the scrolling text to appear. You can place it in the header, within a banner, or even inside a section. And here, I like using bold, clear fonts for marquee text. Something easy to read at a glance. And here, you'll be able to see here, section, containers, layout tools. And here is the text, buttons, the menu and search. And here. So in this tutorial we are focusing the text, so you just need to tap on that one. Here comes the fun part, guys, making the text scroll. So here we have different text styles here. Collapsible text, the text marquee, and then the text mask. And then here we have chosen the text marquee, and here you can choose a style for your template. So for example, that one is, I'm going to choose this one. So here, guys, look for the toolbar that appears just above. You can click animations and scroll down until you find that marquee option. As soon as you click it, boom, your text will be starting scrolling, and then by default, it scrolls from right to left. But of course, guys, you can change the direction if you want. Here, guys, you can customize it a bit more. This website lets you control the speed and direction of the scroll. Here, I am going to change my text, so I am adding my own text here. For example, that one is this book now. Right now is I'm gonna X this one, and then I am going to customize this one here. So on this part, guys, you will be able to see here different options and customizing this one. You can also delete or remove your separator, guys, or add a separator shape. They have a lot of shapes here depending on you. And this is from the website. You can add basic shapes to your sites that are customizable. So here I am gonna choose this one, and what I'm gonna do here is boom. This is the outcome of that one. And here, guys, you can also change the color of that one, guys. For example, that is, I'm gonna change it to this one, and after that one is I'm gonna X one, and then here you can see here the movements here. So the speed is you can either choose slow, medium, or fast, and of course the direction you can also scroll left right up or down, and then the looping here, guys, you can make it scroll continuously or stop after a certain point. Here's a quick tip, guys. If you're adding scrolling text to a banner or header, I recommend keeping the speed at medium or fast to make it eye-catching. Slower speeds are great for subtle message in the footers, of course. Here I am customizing the spacing here. I am trying different spacing here, and then here I'm creating an item spacing, but I think I'm gonna change it to uppercase here. And I'm gonna change the style here after this one. So I chose here uppercase, and here I bold it and off the italic one. So here I think turning off the italic is better, and I changed the color here, so this one. And right after that one, guys, is the font size. You can make it bigger for announcement. The font color, you can use bold, constructing colors for visibility, and you can also add a background color to make the marquee text stand out. You can also use colors that match your website branding but still grab attention. Bright colors tend to work best for promotion, guys. Once you're happy with this one, you can still choose another here. So I think this is better. This font is better in this tutorial, but it will be depending on you guys. So what I'm gonna do here is I will try to preview this one. So this will be the scrolling text. If I'm gonna preview here, and once you're happy with the scrolling text, you can click preview to see how it looks in action. And of course, if everything looks great, you can hit the publish button, as you can see here at the right button at the top. So here you can hit publish to of course make the changes live. And here, let's go to publish that one. Just need to tap on that blue button, and then here save and continue. And after that one is now published, so I'm gonna reload this one. So here I'm trying to view this site, guys. Tap on that one in order for you to see it live. And that's it, guys. You know how to add scrolling text to your Wix website. Simple but effective. So if you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting that like button, and if you're planning to use scrolling text, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and of course, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more Wix tips.